terminate. This was the only thing that I know, and my family too. Yes, so, and I have been with them for a long time. These things are so important to me, and I always remember that we're a family. We have been together for a long time, and you have been with me, and thank you for everything. So hold my hand, we are stronger together. When we are together, we are always being happy. We are a happy family. Like we are a relationship. When we are always sad, we are always with you. We are with you. My heart is always with you, and I always love you, and you have been with me when I was always sad. You cheer my heart, and you make the world better for me. So it's my turn to do the happiness for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment if you love the song. And always be happy. Always remind your family that you are happy and say thank you to them. Bye! Like and subscribe!